All right, everybody, what's going on? It's Curtis back here again, also known as the Invested Millennial. And in this week's video, we're going to be going over the trade recap for the week of Sunday, June 14th to Friday, June 19th. And so we're just going to hop right into the video here. And as you can see, we're in the Tradera back office under the trade alerts section. And we're just going to start with our very first trade of the week, which was Sunday, June 14th. Sunday night, it was EuroCAD on a buy position, and as you can see, it was a take profit 2 for 63 pips in total. So pretty good day to start off your Sunday night. The following trade Sunday night was CAD Swiss franc, and it was a loss of 32 pips, which happens. It's expected to happen. Every now and then you lose. And here we are on Monday, June 15th on Euro USD. We hit take profit 1 plus 16 pips. As soon as you hit take profit 1, you set your stop loss to break even and you eliminate the risk of losing any more money. Same thing with on Monday as well, Great Britain Pound USD. It was a take profit 1 of 16 pips, stop loss to break even, and we got stopped out. Here we are on Tuesday, June 16th. We hit a Euro NZD, Euro New Zealand dollar sell. We hit our stop loss at 32 pips, which is okay. We're still up all in all 63 pips so far for the week. And then we have also on Tuesday, June 16th, we have a sell of Great Britain Pound, New Zealand dollar. And as you can see, guys, this one was huge. It was a 159 pip win. So to put that into perspective, if you were to be trading $1 lot sizes, if you hit take profit 3, you made $159 just by copying and pasting. That goes with all of these. If you were at $1 lot sizes per trade, you made $63 here. You lost $32. You gained it back in these two trades. You lost it again here, and this loss here. Then you gained it back plus some in the next trade for 159 pips. And it goes up from there. If you traded $10 per lot size, you made $1,590 per trade. That's just the way Forex works. That's what's so great about this business model and this company. That's why you need to get plugged in. But that's not the end of it, guys. That's only Tuesday. So let's head into the later trades of the week, and see what we did. So also on Tuesday, we had a EuroCAD buy. It resulted in a loss of 31 pips. On the 17th, Wednesday of June, we had Australian dollar versus US dollar at a buy and a loss of 32 pips. On June 17th, Wednesday as well, in New Zealand dollar CAD buy, it was a loss of 31 pips. So we're going to tally all this up at the end of the video, and we're going to see how we were positive. On Thursday, June 18th, we had a sell on GBP USD for 16 pips, as well as Euro odd on June 18th for a sell for a total of 62 pips. Now these three trades, these are the new week. This is Monday, June 22nd. So these two trades were sent out last night, Euro odd and GBP NZD. Both have hit take profit 2. So we're already up 127 pips. So here is the Euro odd trade. It was the very first trade they called. I'm going to get rid of that. And you can ignore this. The parameter was actually up here, but that was at market open. So the sell was right here. Sell was right there. So we never ended up hitting our stop loss. That was market open. It opened in a gap and it came back down. Placed the sell here and then just easy money. This little box here, that's how far we went down. So we had 60 pips. And this is our final take profit for a total of 160 pips. So again, if we're at $1 lot sizes per trade, then that means we're going to potentially make $161. But as of now, we've secured $60 in this trade. And the next pair, I believe it was GBP NZD. We have that open as well. Now this one was an awesome trade. You can see it was in this downtrend here on this trend line, and we struggled to break down here. But when we came back up, it respected this trend line. For the last time, market open respected this trend line. Then we placed a sell right here. And as you can see, same thing, we have this box over here. We went all the way down to 102 pips, and now we're all the way back up here. Stop loss at break even at however many pips that is, just under 30 pips. And we're expected to make 160 pips on this as well. So if you're trading $1 lot sizes, again, that's 100. We're already up $160, $127, sorry, for the week, and it's literally Monday, and I've done nothing all week except for a copy and paste. If this trade plays out perfectly, we'll be up $160 on this trade alone. So that is what is so powerful about this system, you guys. So we are going to open our calculator, and we're going to tally up our total pip count. So let's go to last week. Open up our calculator again. Okay, so here we are on last week's trade. We're going to open up the calculator, and we're going to tally our total loss and profit for pips. So we started off the week with 63 pips, minus 32 pips, plus 16, plus 16, minus 32, plus 159 pips. We're going to go back to the first page. And where are we? And then we are going to subtract 31 pips, subtract 32 pips, subtract 31 pips yet again, add 16 pips, and add 62 pips for a total of 174 pips in profit. So again, guys, if you traded at a $1 lot size, you made $174. If you traded at a 10-cent lot size, it would be $17.40. So we do 10 times 174 equals 1740. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you get more money and your account grows, and you trade at, let's say, $10 lot sizes. So $10 per pip times 174, you made $1,740. Let's just narrow it down a bit. Let's say you trade $5 a pip times 174. You made $870 that week just from your cell phone. If this isn't speaking to you, you need to listen up. Get plugged into this system. It will change your life. Plug into it tonight. Get a hold of me and my team. We will take great care of you. If you don't know about Tradera already, or trading in general, you really should. Okay, you guys, the system speaks for itself. It works. Look at this. This is this week's trade. 64 plus 63, 127 pips. Okay, I trade at $2.30 per lot size, or sorry, per pip. Okay, that times 127 pips. Oops. $2.30 times 127 pips. I made $292.10, and it's Monday. It is Monday, and I've already made half of someone's paycheck in a week. Okay, that's crazy. Get the system, get plugged in. Let's do this. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Come back next week for the recap of this week, and stay tuned for what's coming, guys. We got big things coming. Appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.